going on, everyone? Charlotte here. This is a test for the artificial intelligence text-to-speech software I'm programming to sound just like me. LOL, what a time to be alive. What if I told you that the Reddit you've known is nothing more than a minefield? What if I told you that Reddit has been a propaganda arsenal for the last 2 years? What would you do? Would you believe me? I would hope not. The point of this video is to see the critical component of life. Self-verification. You must achieve this habit. Do me a favor. Forget the noise for a moment. Close your eyes and open your mind. When this is over, go look for yourself. Reddit has been owned by entities designed to control us, control our thought, control our minds. I will be putting this out likely by tomorrow. Is it all a lie, or was this entire journey engineered from the get-go? There's only one way to have a chance of finding out. You must look.